Now we are going to discuss a very important topic. Who are co-parceners in HUF? Understanding their rights and benefits. Did you know that not all members of HUF have equal rights over the family property? Some have the power to demand partition, while others don't. These privileged members are called coparceners. But who exactly are they? And what right do they have? Let's find out. In this video, we will cover who are the coparceners, how are they different from HUF members, what right do they have, can daughters be coparceners, common misconceptions and legal aspects. Stay tuned till the end to learn how coparcenary rights affect HUF taxation and property division. So, what is a coparcener in Hindu undivided family? A coparcener is a person who has a right by birth, automatic birthright in HUF property and can demand partition unlike ordinary HUF members. Coparceners have more legal rights. See, the key point is coparcenary applies only to Hindu, Sikh, Jain, Buddhist families under the Mitakshara school of Hindu law. Every HUF has a Karta. Head of the family will be the Karta. And multiple coparceners who inherit the property rights by birth. Coparcenary is limited to 4 generations from the common main ancestor. These are the key points. Who is a coparcener? Coparcener in HUF include Karta is the head of the HUF, the senior-most male or female member, son and daughters automatically become coparceners by birth. Grandsons, great grandsons, also coparceners as they are direct descendants. Who is not a coparcener? Wife of Karta. She is an HUF member but does not have coparcenary rights. Daughters-in-law, they are part of family but cannot inherit coparcenary rights. Adopted sons and daughters, they are legally considered coparceners in an HUF. Example, let's say Mr. Sharma is a Karta of HUF. He has 2 sons, 1 daughter, and grandson. All 4 are coparceners. But his wife and daughter-in-law are just HUF members, not coparceners. Coparceners versus members. I'll give you the comparison. The features acquire right by birth. Coparceners acquire right by birth, but HUF members have no right by birth. And right to demand partition. Yes, coparcener have a right to demand partition. HUF doesn't have. Can be a female. Yes, from 2005 onwards. Yes, female can be a coparcener and female can be a HUF member. Can manage HUF property. Yes, Karta, if female is a Karta, yes, male is a Karta, yes. But this coparcener can manage HUF property, but HUF member cannot manage HUF property. See the difference. Coparcener can manage HUF property, HUF member cannot manage HUF property. All coparcener are HUF members. See the difference. All coparceners are HUF members, but not all members are coparcener. Not all members are coparcener. All coparceners are HUF members, but not all members are coparceners. So that is the difference. All coparceners are HUF members, but not all members are coparceners. Right of coparceners in HUF property. The coparceners' right is right to demand partition, right to sell their own shares, right to become a karta, right to income and assets, right to gift or will their shares. Then right to demand partition. A coparcener can ask for partition and claim their share of a HUF property anytime. After partition, the coparcener's share becomes self-acquired property and they can manage it freely. Right to sell their share, a coparcener can sell or transfer their undivided share in HUF property with the consent of others. Right to become Karta. After 2005 Hindu Succession Amendment, the eldest male or female coparcener can become a Karta. A daughter can now be Karta if she is the eldest coparcener. Right to income and assets. If an HUF earns rental or business income, coparceners are entitled to share. Right to gift and will their share. A coparcener can pass their HUF share through will or gift, but only for their portion. Can daughters be coparceners? Hindu Succession Act 2005. Before 2005, daughters were only members, not coparceners. They lost all rights in HUF property after marriage. But after 2005 amendment, daughters now have equal coparcenary rights as sons. They can demand partition of HUF property. Daughter can also become a karta of HUF. Married daughters still remain coparcenary rights. See the real life case law in Danamma versus Amar Singh case in 2018. The Supreme Court ruled that daughters have equal rights in HUF property regardless of when their father passed away. It's an important point. If daughters passes away, her children inherit her coparcenary share in HUF. See, common myths and misconceptions. Only sons can be coparceners. No, it is false. Daughters are also coparceners after 2005. Another myth is a wife can demand partition. False. Only coparcener can demand partition. Wife cannot demand partition. And another myth is coparcenary rights end after marriage. False. A married daughter still has HUF property rights. Another myth is HUF can have a unlimited coparceners. False. It is limited to 4 generations from common ancestor. Now the conclusion. Why understanding coparcenary is important? If you belong to an HUF, understanding coparcenary rights helps in property planning, taxation planning, legal matters. Daughters are now have equal rights. Make sure your family assets are distributed fairly. If you are planning HUF taxation and succession, consult legal expert. If you found this video useful, like and share with your family members. For more HUF tax saving tips, subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon. Any questions, drop them in comment section. See you in the next video. Stay financially smart. Thank you.